Ma'am Nicholas will be here to show us.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samuel Nicholas and I'm representing South Africa, one of many native tribes called the Zulu, consisting of 8 to 10 million people. Zulus live in a round-shaped house called kraal with a cattle in the center so protected from predators outside. In the 1800s, British settlers came and performed an action called apartheid, which means the separation between black and white. But then Nelson Mandela, who fought for the freedom and rights of the black people, then went to jail. By the apartheid government for more than 20 years. But then, by the failure of the apartheid government, the black had rights and freedom and were not considered lower class. Another fact is that the next World Cup of soccer will be held in South Africa 2010.